Hi, welcome back to Wine Mastery. We are about to taste a Shiraz, and I'm hoping it's going to be a Shiraz with some pepper in it, and you'll learn out why in a minute. So this Shiraz is called Pepperbox.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Which maybe now you understand why I think it's going to have some pepper in it. It is from Southeastern Australia, and it is $9.99.
Did you just do the accent there?
Yeah.
It just put me off for a little. Carry on.
It's not a good accent.
I think we're all aware of
recognise that.
Yeah.
So I understand that the family that produced this long decades back came from Sicily and moved to southeastern Australia. Shiraz is the signature grape.
Indeed, yes. Australia is known for giving some big, monstrous, spicy Shirazes.
And we were picked up actually in a previous video, which was a wine from Western Australia. We said, that's the signature grape, and I can't remember the viewer's name, please forgive me, but they picked us up and said, actually, it's not Western Australia, that isn't the signature grape. So sorry about that.
It's okay, we're learning every day, John.
Every day.
Every day.
We're learning with you. Okay, shall we have a look at the colour of this one?
Let's have a look at it.
That's a nice colour.
Oh, it is, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's definitely purple. That's definitely in the realms, yeah.
Just on the rim?
Yeah, it's almost like it sounds almost blood-like.
It's not obvious to me. I can just see like a hint of it on the rim, but it's not like obvious to me.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, that looks beautiful. Ooh, it looks like I've gone. Ooh,
that smells nice.
Yeah, there's a lot in there.
It doesn't smell like a Shiraz to me, or like I would expect.
Yeah, I'll actually give you that. It doesn't. My first thinking would not be Shiraz, although it has got that blackcurrant.
Yeah.
And that's generally what you would say. Oh, John, that's good.
But normally in a sort of Shiraz, I will normally, because it's the thing I don't like about Shiraz, the pepper, and so normally that's what I pick up. It's the thing I don't like rather than the things. But I'm not getting particularly pepper from that.
We've got the cherry in there as well. Ooh.
I can just get a bit of cherry, I can just get a bit of cherry.
This is definitely one of those wines that you could spend a long time smelling.
It's quite a delicate aroma though, isn't it?
Yeah, it's not as powerful as some we've tried, but I still think it's not too bad.
I mean, the most powerful we've tried to, so if you gave that a 10, I'd only put this at a 2 or 3.
Ooh, I'd put it a little bit to more 6, but...
Wow.
I don't know, let's have a go on the palate.
It's obviously triggering your nostril more than mine.
It must be. Okay, a little disappointing.
Yeah.
It's not bad, but from the nose, I was expecting a lot. Some big beefsteak, Shiraz power, and I'm not saying it's bad, not for a minute. The tannin's there. There's vanilla in there now. I know that because it's almost like ice creamy.
The word that came to my mind is flat. It's not that it's sort of flat and in a nasty way, just that the taste comes in, it doesn't sort of build up and then fade off. It just comes in and...
Yeah, there's no real complexity. There's none of it hitting there and there. It's just, I get that, versus like a full, that's what you're getting, which is, it's not a bad thing, but in the same way, it's not good. But, how much is it? $9.99?
Yes.
That's for $9.99?
It's got, I'm getting a little bit of cherry there. Yeah, are you?
I get the cherry. For me, it's just cherry and vanilla. I wanted to get that blackcurrant. I wanted that in there because that's what I want from a
I think I get blackcurrant.
Oh, you get the blackcurrant? I'm not getting that.
I'm not
getting
getting
it on the nose.
But this is all about the profile of your own palate, isn't it? You'll be better at picking up certain tastes and
that's subjectiveness. Yeah. See on the nose, the blackcurrant's on, but.
And now I've tasted it, I can't smell it. And that sometimes happens for me. Once I've tasted it, I go back to the nose and I just can't detect anything. Almost like my nostrils have been burnt out. Yeah.
I think I might be doing it a bit of an injustice. I think it's growing on me. I think it's actually quite... The nose is good. The flavour's good. There's nothing outstanding.
No.
But still, it's flavoursome. It's done what it said on the tin. It's actually all right, is that?
Yeah, I mean, I think probably, as you will probably tell from previous videos, I know particularly Shiraz isn't my go-to. So I'm not warming towards it because it has got that Shirazi. It's a little bit one-dimensional. It's not unpleasant. It's not, coming back to that acid test, it's not one I'd buy again.
Yeah. Yeah, I get that. And I think, in fairness, I think I would for a tenner.
Would you?
$9.99. Obviously, we've tasted better.
If you let me buy it and give me a tenner, that means I can make a penny out of it.
Why did it go to that? Why wouldn't it? But no, I think I've been unfair. I think it's all right. And at a tenner, you can't complain.
You can't?
No, I wouldn't complain. As I say, I know we've tried nicer ones at a cheaper price, but on a par, I think that's okay. But then, do you want something that's just okay, or do you want...
Yeah.
That's the question.
Send another, we have tasted some, the one we've tasted tonight, 50p more, and it knocked the socks out of this.
Yes, that was outstanding. That was outstanding. But those that we get in that, they're very few and far between. We don't have them often.
Yeah.
But,
yeah. Okay. So, do you want me to go pairing first, or?
Go for it, because I've not even thought.
Well, obviously it comes from the land of Australia, so immediately my mind's gone to BBQ.
Yep.
Or the Barbie, brilliant film. I would go for sort of like grilled meat, so and I'm thinking particularly sort of like lamb or pork chops, a little bit of fat with it, and I think the pepper in this will sort of help break that down. Yep. So that's where I'd go with this.
Cheese-wise, I'm still thinking. I was listening to you. Cheese-wise, I will.
Not many people do that.
What? Listen to you. I'm going to go to a blue cheese for this. I'm going to say something very, very... maybe there's two. Blue Stilton is the first thing that came to mind. I think there's a saltiness about that, and then also something called Grand Noir, which is a bit more mushroomy. But
Grand Noir?
Grand Noir, yes.
How do you spell that? Is it Grand Noir?
N-O-I...
As in black, French black. Okay. Grand Black.
Yeah, that's the one, yeah. Yeah, I think those two would match perfectly.
Is that big? Big, you get like those big, like the big breeze.
I think we better leave it on, but it's about that big.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. So, has it got like I was going to say crust. I don't mean that. I mean like the
rind.
The rind. Thank you.
It's a black wax. It's waxed. Is that?
It's waxed.
It's waxed. Yeah.
And it's from France, being noir.
No, it's actually German.
And they say Is German, is black noir black in German as well?
No, but he's a German blue cheese.
How pretentious.
I don't know how that works, but that's what
okay.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay.
Scores.
Okay. Scores on the doors. Okay.
Everything aside, £10. It does a lot of what it says on the tin, so you've got to give it that.
I feel a big discrepancy coming, by the way.
I actually enjoyed that more than I thought I would, so I'm going to be generous with that.
Okay, and I'm not going to be so generous. I'm going 76.
I said 80.
Okay, so not that far away, in fact.
No, as always.
No. Okay, far away, not bad. As I say, I think I was struggling between saying, well, I think it's 76, but as that just because I don't like Shiraz, and I thought, well, no, I think it's, it's a nice average wine.
Yeah,
it's not exceptional.
Yeah, sometimes you have to kind of take yourself away from that, don't you? I might put my personal
preferences in.
See, that's smart. It's not bad. It's not bad.
Okay, well guys, if you get a chance, if you haven't already, please subscribe, click the thumbs up button, and click the little bell as well. Make sure you get notified whenever we launch a new video, which is normally on a Saturday morning, 9 AM UK time. And let us have any comments you think about if you get to try this wine. Indeed, let's have any comments that you may have about this video. So until the next time, we look forward to seeing you there. And it only leaves us to say, chin chin.
Chin chin.